Okay, calling case 284940, the people versus Breon Jacobs. One count of violation of the governor's executive order. Appearance?
Field Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Ms. Jacobs. Ms. Jacobs, please state your full name for the record.
Breon Shanae Jacobs.
I'm just reading the notes here, Attorney Wilkerson, on this case.
Okay.
Um, I would like to expedite this trial date.
Okay.
September 17th is the earliest I can get you in, Ms. Jacobs, okay?
All right. All right.
Um,
So Ms. Jacobs, you'll just log back in on Zoom on that day.
Okay.
And Ms. Jacobs, there will be an attorney here to speak to you about your case. And make
All
sure you
right.
mention the attorney to ask me or the clerk for the notes on your ticket. Because there's
Okay.
something very important here that needs to be discussed with the prosecutor.
All right.
And
All right.
it should help you out. I'll leave it at that.
All right.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You are all set. You have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, Mr. Archie Johnson, we got one more of his counts, but he still has another one. Okay, and I got a couple of. Circle here. Okay, we're printing out the rest. He has four. We found one count. There's four left that we need to find.
Okay.
So this is two circles. Only one out of this is one. Okay. Oh, no, 1A. Is he saying that $18,000 and still has others? Oh. Here. Oh, I'm sorry. Driving my money over. Sorry. Workman's comp. 991. Okay, so he finished paying on the page. All right, Attorney Wilkerson. Let's start with the last count, Mr. Johnson. For the review. He took care of that, so that's the $0. That was outstanding balance that he had.
That's on the review, Your Honor?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's see what we can do. And he has one violation of governor's executive order count too, so we're gonna have to set that one for a trial. But the rest of them, let's see.
So, Your Honor, the review that he paid, are we putting it on the record or you're just gonna close it out?
I'm gonna close it out.
Okay.
So in addition to the offer for one ton of fair to display, I will, there's 3 other counts here. So I can do 2 counts of fair to display, and everything to be dismissed except for the executive order count.
Okay.
That makes sense?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, can you unmute your phone, please?
Come here.
Okay, I also need you to start your video. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna put you into a breakout room to speak to Attorney Wilkerson about your counts, okay?
All right.
So go ahead and accept the invitation.
Or no, tomorrow. Oh. They said, I think I wrote this. You know what time it is? No problem.
I muted it.
No problem. I tried to buy a different kind of Nash Chapman with the loops like this, so it won't hurt my ears. It still hurt my ears.
They got the ones that snap, but you might not like that. Cause I started, I got one at home. You might not like it. Cause they got that clamp,
Yeah.
but you can open it, it got the clamp, and it got the 2 filters.
Yumbo had that kind with the 2 black.
I got it at home, but it's like, when I put it on, I'm like, it's too much. I'm like, this is enough for down here.
Where did you get it from?
Oh, at the gas station?
I'm sorry.
No, you okay
Just
with
put
it?
it in.
No, you're okay. I got it at the gas station, but it seemed like it was doing too much, so I took it off. I've been had it, I just happened to go in my drawer and it was right there. So I got up and I put it up, cause it don't have this, you just snap it. Like right
This on
here.
my ears drives me
So then I was
crazy.
like,
Is it more like a scarf kind of looking? I've seen those ones where they like you just pull them off.
oh no,
Yeah.
this one, it's a mask, but it just
Snap
snaps.
on
It
back of
stays
your
on
neck.
your ear.
Oh.
But then I was like, they probably say she doing too much. Because they got the clamp and then they got the two filters, but I could actually.
Yana? I'm back. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. I don't know if they can hear me. All right. Yeah, I'm back. I think I'm back.
The judge will be approaching the bench in a second.
Those rest of them, the rest of this done.
I'm going through them now.
There we go. Okay, you ready, Mrs. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor, I have a question though before we begin.
Sure.
Mr. Johnson had tickets that he missed on August 19th. Were those included today?
I had a docket from 18, 17, 18, 20.
Let's see. August 18th. Yep, August 19th.
Thank you, Sherman. Did I say thank you? We got it today. Well, Sherman got it. He passed it.
Yeah. Nope, that wasn't true.
Another one.
So he wants to address that one as well today.
I'm sorry, say that one more time, Your Honor.
You sure he wants to take care of that one today as well, correct?
Yes, if possible.
Okay. So I'm gonna have to give this one to the prosecutor. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be for another failure to display.
Okay.
Did I already write it off or just write this one by itself?
You did, for failure to display for these four. And then he has a governor's order count on it.
You should have.
And I,
She done. It's over. You mean what's on?
there's a no for.
Judge Sabree's program, help you. Sure.
is 360. Zero, zero. Zero, zero.
It's Terry. Okay, so it would be for improper plates.
Improper
One
plate.
count of failure display and one count of improper plate.
Wait, you said one count of fair display and one count of improper plate?
Two counts of failure to display.
Okay,
And one improper plates for there are two counts that we just found that he was supposed to be there for on the 19th. So the improper plates and then the driving while, whatever it was, driving while license suspended would be dismissed.
okay.
So,
Mr. Johnson, do you understand it or do we need to go back to the breakout room?
I think I understand it. She's saying I had on the 19th. She said on the 19th I had a failure to display and a
You had
untitled
a,
vehicle or something.
no, you had a, improper plate and you said driver's license expired, Your Honor?
yeah, it was
And
really-
today they're willing to offer you if you plead to the improper plate, the driver's license expired will be dismissed.
Oh, okay.
So to sum it up, he has 11 total counts. One we took care of, that's a review. Mr. Johnson paid that. So we got 10 left. So if you plead to 2 counts of failure to display, 1 improper plate, all 0-point offenses, the 7 remaining will be dismissed. Does that make sense, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
Is that something you like to do?
Yes.
Okay. Let me call all of your cases. This is the People versus Archie Johnson, calling cases SP 1032599, count 1, driving while unlicensed, count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle, SP 1024951, driver's license never required, P 1083168, failure to display about operator's license, 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 3, no insurance, P 1083169, failure to use a seatbelt, 406991, violation of the governor's executive order, and 184332961, failure to display about operator's license, which was up for review, which is now closed. And for the record, Attorney Wilkerson, it would be 6 counts dismissed. The remaining 7th count is the violation of the governor's executive order count that we got.
That'll be set for trial, right?
Correct.
Okay.
All right, so appearance?
So Manager Wilkerson, on behalf of Mr. Johnson, please state your name for the record.
Archie Johnson.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, as we just briefly discussed, is it correct you're gonna plead guilty to 2 counts of failure to display a valid operator's license and 1 count of improper plates?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Wilkerson in private about your case today?
Yeah, she provided a lot of clarification. I wanted to apologize to you because I had a misconception of usual.
Yeah, no problem. I just want you to listen. I'm
Yeah,
pretty much here to,
but-
that's all I do, and I'm not here to make anything harder for anybody, so. I
That's a
appreciate your
problem.
comment.
I came in angry for no reason. Wrong person.
That's fine. You'll be nice and happy when you leave. That's all that matters. We're good. Mr. Johnson, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand, Mr. Johnson, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand that waiving your right to a trial, I'm sorry. Do you understand that by waiving your right to a trial, you'll be giving up the right to have a trial, pleading guilty today, moving forward, you won't have a trial. You understand that?
Yes.
That was a complicated question, I'm sorry. Okay,
Yeah,
knowing that you're
okay.
waiving your trial, do you want to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I'd like to bring attention to June 6, 2020, around 10:30 a.m. in the area of Minnock and Grand River in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2015 Chrysler vehicle. And was that, did you have insurance on the vehicle at the time?
No, it wasn't. I don't believe. I think it was just expired or something. It was expired.
Okay, satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, and also, I'd like to bring your attention to May 11, 2020, around 4:21 PM in the area of Davidson and Moran in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2015 Chrysler vehicle.
Yes.
Were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
And at that time, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Okay, and one more. I'd like to bring your attention to October 10th, 2019, around 3:20 PM in the area of Joy Road and Greenview in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2015 Chrysler vehicle.
Yes.
Were you doing so without a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Okay, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay. I will amend all the charges per the recommendation, so that would be for 2 failure to display and for 1 improper place. I will dismiss the remaining 2 counts that have not been adjudicated minus the governor's executive order count. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Johnson, what I've been doing is waiving everyone's fines and costs to help during the pandemic to save them some money. So that'd be about $720 that you don't have to pay today, okay?
Okay.
For the governor's executive order count, I'm gonna have to set that for a trial date, okay?
Okay.
And that's because there's no state prosecutor present, there's no offer, so I'm gonna set it for a trial date, and if the officer and the prosecutor do not show up, then I will dismiss it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, did you post a bond at all on any of these cases?
I'm not sure. I don't think so. I just went into 36th district and she printed out a long receipt and I just paid what was at the bottom of it.
Okay. So I'm gonna set your trial date for September 20th. I'm sorry, September 17th, 2020.
Okay.
That'll be at 8:30, and that's gonna be to handle the 1 count you have left to take care of for the violation of governor's executive order, okay?
September 17th.
Yeah, you wanna write that down?
Yeah, I'm actually about to right now. Hey, I don't have nothing else like I gotta pay to y'all because I was trying to move on to another city. Because I owe another city some money.
I asked about your bond, if you posted one, because the Secretary of State is gonna require you to pay some reinstatement fees.
Ooh, I paid a lot in a month. Okay. Okay.
So I'll put on here, if you did post a bond or any bond in any of your history that you have, I'll apply it to your reinstatement fees. And whatever is not applied, you will have to pay to the Secretary of State. But you're done with 36th District Court. Like, you don't have anything to pay.
Do you have any idea like about the Secretary of State, like how much I'm gonna have to give them in reinstatement fee? Because I thought I paid 36 districts that they charged me something like that. They charged me like $45. So was that something else? Like
It's
$45.
normally
like
45 on every ticket.
Yeah, they charged me 45 a bunch of times.
So you
So you may have already paid them.
I did. I paid a lot.
After they take care of the case, but you probably took care of it before, so you probably don't have any.
Hopefully I don't, because I swear to God, that's gonna hurt.
Here, I'll take it.
Judge, all right. I don't even have to look, I know. Yep, he has 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 more left.
How many?
3. 3 more left.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, you have 3 left to pay.
So 3 sets of 45?
Yep.
No.
Is that including this case? What's going on right now?
Yes.
Okay, so them 3, I can go pay them right now.
Yes, you can go on 36 website and pay that.
I'm about to go do that right now.
And you have your trial date, correct?
Say that again, I apologize.
You have your trial date written down?
I'm sorry, did you say Chime Bank?
Trial date, trial.
Oh, trial date, yes. September 19th.
17th.
17th. I just wrote down the wrong numbers.
19th is a Saturday, we won't be here. We will not be here.
Put this in on my phone. I can't forget this. 17th September 7th.
8:30 a.m.
All right, I got it.
Okay, any questions?
My calendar. No, I think everything's taken care of. You said I'm good here, so thank you for the love.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Have a good one.
You too.
Okay, Attorney Wilkerson.
Thank you. You know, it's always a pleasure working with you.
Yeah, I wish I could request you more often.
Yeah, and it's so crazy because even when the judges give me days, it's not a guarantee I'll be in your courtroom, so that doesn't help much. But
Even when I appoint people I want, it's like, I don't get them, so.
all right, have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.